worshippers don't fail because they are not untalented. They fail because nobody shows them the right path. Like, let me show you how one of my students went from I can't even switch chords and to playing confidently goodness of God in just 2 weeks. This is not a magic, this is a structure. When they joined me, here what's their played look like. And hand jumping also in that. And there was no dynamics, like playing only loud and all. And they're using the clunky sustain as well, like not using sustain properly. And then they say, and they kept saying like, I'm practicing but I don't sound like a church. And of course that frustration was real. It breaks the confidence, it makes you feel like worship is far away. There is nothing wrong with them, they just didn't have a right path or a right method. So let's see the fixes, how they can fix. Like fix number one is emotional chords instead of just plain triads, like C sus to, like instead of C G they play like C, like this method. Like when we add both hands, see the difference. And C9 like. And fix number two is anchor finger transition, like instead of like shifting like this, we can keep our anchor finger and playing in this way. Like this, like this finger supposed to be like thumb finger, we can add, we can use it like a anchor method. This single technique made their worship flow sound professional. And the like fix number three is the left hand foundation. Like left hand is too busy to play like chords, like fixing it's a beginner problem, like changing this one to this to this. But you can do like root note only, like right hand. This way we can use. And the fix number four, this is dynamic build, not playing continuously loud. It sounds maybe like perfect, but it doesn't sound like emotional driving. It is just sound like something you're playing. It won't help in worship. And it's not about speed. It's all about emotional progress. Like don't play loud like this, but we'll play like smoothly, like. See, mixing of dynamics like loud, soft. When these four fixes come together, it changes everything. So make sure to focus on this. So how they went from zero to playing songs in just 2 weeks.
I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice.
That is not a talent at all. It's all about process. That is how my students go from zero to playing song. If you're watching this and you feel stuck, it's because it's not because you're not gifted. It's because you're learning in a random way. Random tutorials cannot build confidence. A step by step worship system can. In my worship keyboard in 30 days course, I teach exact journey I used with the student. It's all about emotional chords, smooth transitions, left hand foundation, worship build system, practical worship arrangements. If you are ready to stop struggling and actually grow, the link to join the course is below in the description and the comments. And I mean this from my heart. I would love to help you to play worship content. And if you want this song chords progression, there is a free worship chord sheets. Link is in description and the comments. You can check it out.